Disinformation is a fancy word for lying. It's a kind of a subset of propaganda. Propaganda is using facts or opinions to try to convince somebody of your point of view. It may be a domestic audience or a foreign power, something like that. But disinformation is a variety of propaganda in which the people producing it deliberately present false information. In short, they know they're lying. Back in the 1930s, the two masters of disinformation were Hitler and Stalin. Both of them produced what could be called the big lie. Hitler produced deliberately false information about German Jews, about Germany's history in World War One. Stalin and the Soviet Union lied about a famine that was killing millions of people. He lied about the superiority of the Soviet system. So modern disinformation, which is sped along with newspapers and radio, TV, and now the internet, really is a kind of, although it goes all the way back to the Romans, the heyday of it, it becomes incredibly more common in the 20th century. In the 1930s, with Hitler and Stalin, the big lie becomes overwhelmingly obvious. You know, Hitler's propaganda minister, Joseph Goebbels, actually said, and here he's giving away the fact that they know they're lying. He actually said that if you repeat something, however ridiculous, enough times, you can convince people of anything you want to convince them of. You can convince them that a square is a circle. It's a matter of repetition. It's a matter of controlling the media. It's a matter of pounding away with a point of view until otherwise normal people believe it just because of the repetition.